Hi, I'm Beth Winkler, and I nominated Dr. Laura Bowling to the Plain Local Hall of Distinction. Laura has always been dedicated to her education. I like to think it was my influence all those years ago when I forced her to play school sitting in a cardboard box so that she couldn't crawl away. I distinctly remember the end of her senior year of high school. I had graduated from college and Michelle was home for the summer. The power went out and Laura was devastated because she had exams for which she had to study. Probably Mr. Thompson's physics exam or Madame Moser's French exam. Other students, maybe myself included, would have used the power outage as an excuse to go to bed, but not Laura. Michelle and I stayed up and hunted for candles so that she could pull her all-nighter. This dedication to her education continued through her 4 years at Princeton and then through her master's and PhD work at the University of Washington in Seattle. That dedication was so strong that my parents wondered if she would ever leave college. And I guess in reality, she did not. When interviewing for her position of an associate professor in the agronomy department at Purdue University, she switched her focus from her personal education to how she could serve students. In our conversations, she asked for specific teaching strategies and methodologies that would help her in her classes. Most of us know that this is very, very rare in the university setting. We all probably had professors who were experts in their fields, but not in the art of teaching. This is what sets Laura apart. She is not only an expert in the field of agronomy, but also a master in the classroom and in professional relationships. She completely understands that there is not much difference between that high school senior and that incoming Purdue freshman or sophomore. Laura is humorous and sarcastic and clearly one of the smartest people I know, but she is also real and down to earth, which is important because her fieldwork is wet and dirty, and the stories of her changing in her car out of her work boots and Carhartts to skirts and heels, and the sometimes missing article of needed clothing are always entertaining. She uses her expertise to help meet students where they are, and as a research supervisor, helps them continue their growth through their own graduate degrees. Because of her mentoring, there have been many successful graduate students in her field. Laura has been published and honored, and Laura is also the first female head of Purdue's agronomy department. But these are only pieces of the humanistic impact that she has had and will have for all women in STEM, as well as all of her students and colleagues. Laura does what she says she is going to do, helps people and the environment. She makes a difference, and that is why it was an honor for me to nominate her. Thank you.